Hey there, South Mississippi. Chief Meteorologist Eric Jeansonne here with a quick update on a lot of changes headed our way. We're watching a storm system to our west, bringing the threat of strong to severe storms across northern Louisiana into north and central Mississippi overnight tonight. That storm system is going to head our way. However, it does look like most of the energy with this may pass to our north, but it will bring a risk for maybe a few strong to severe storms as we go into tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Notice the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma has placed all of South Mississippi in a marginal risk for a few strong to severe storms. So what does that mean? Basically, anywhere within those locations, you have a low-end potential for seeing a severe weather report within 25 miles of your location within that risk zone. So the further you go up that scale, the more likely it's going to be. Notice we are pretty much in that lower end category, but hey, the risk for severe weather tomorrow is not necessarily zero. We're also not expecting widespread heavy rain, but some of us may see some decent totals in some areas. Notice rainfall amounts in general between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. Some areas may see a little bit more. Some of us may not pick up much. This doesn't look like a widespread soaking heavy rain event for us. The risk for severe weather between 5 a.m. in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. Again, not expecting widespread heavy rain or flash flooding, but we could see maybe a quick spin up tornado or an isolated damaging wind gust, or maybe even some hail with some of those stronger thunderstorms. One of the things fueling storms, if they can get going, is the heat tomorrow. In fact, we could be near record territory. The record for tomorrow is 81 at Gulfport, Biloxi. We'll be around 80 degrees by the afternoon, so it is going to be a very warm day across the region. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast by 5 a.m. Futurecast showing some scattered showers and thunderstorms, so the morning commute could be wet. As we work our way into the mid-morning and early afternoon, here we are by lunchtime, temperatures soaring into the upper 70s to low 80s. Hit and miss showers and storms will be possible. Again, it doesn't look like rain all day long, but the potential is there for some passing showers or a thunderstorm, even during the afternoon hours and in the morning. So here's a look at once we get past the 9 to 10 o'clock time frame tomorrow night, the front finally pushes on through, and Wednesday is actually looking cooler. And it will be Wednesday night going into Thursday morning, Thanksgiving morning, that reinforcing shot of cold air makes it on through. Let's talk about rainfall. The month of November has been incredibly dry. At Gulfport Biloxi International, since November 1st, we have not picked up any rain. And if that holds, we could see perhaps the driest, or one of the driest Novembers on record. Right now, 2025 is tied with 1949 for having the driest November on record. And when you look at 1908, we picked up just over 1/10 of an inch of rain. So that would be the next number to beat if we pick up some rain. At Trent Lott and Moss Point, we're looking at right now, 2025 is in the lead for the driest November with less than 1/4 of an inch of rain so far. So again, tomorrow we'll see how those numbers shake out if we get any rain. And of course, we have just a few days left of November. The wind does pick up overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. It will be quite gusty at times. A southwest wind by lunchtime, anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour. Maybe some gusts even higher than that. The front comes in Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. We have a northerly breeze on Wednesday. That cool breeze will bring in some drier air. Wednesday's looking pretty nice. Still a little on the warm side, but it's really Wednesday night into Thursday morning that reinforcing shot of cold air really starts to filter on in, and we see much colder temperatures. So Thursday morning, Thanksgiving morning, we're waking up in the low 40s, upper 30s. Wind chill values will be in the upper 20s to low 30s, so it will be a chilly Thanksgiving morning. High temperatures climbing into the low 60s by the afternoon. It's a little bit below normal. And then by Friday morning, we're looking at the potential for maybe some frost with low temperatures generally in the mid to upper 30s. 7-day forecast, it looks like this again as we go throughout the next several days or so. Tomorrow looks very warm, near record warm, very humid, breezy. We'll have that opportunity for a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Can't rule out one of those being on the strong to severe side. As we go into Wednesday, cooler air gradually filters in throughout the day, so not as hot. We'll notice the lower humidity. By Thursday morning, a very cold start. And then it looks like by the end of this coming weekend, maybe another storm system brings the opportunity for rain. And hey, don't forget, by the way, we are still running our Toys for Tots toy drive. That goes until December 12th. WLOX is a drop-off location. You can drop a new unwrapped toy here between now and December 12th. That'll be the last day to be able to do it, but we have plenty of room to collect toys in our studio, and we just want to fill up that studio to make Christmas very special for the boys and girls on the coast this year. So always appreciate it whenever you can help out in those donations. Looking at the 7-day forecast again, things are looking pretty quiet until we get towards the end of next weekend, maybe another storm system impacting the region.